Good evening, friends. So today I don't have the oil. I don't have the oil to prepare the food, so I'm thinking what to add. So there is two options. Either I add this. This is vinegar, or either I add this. This is the wine. So I'm going to add wine little bit. Because later on I have to add, when it is ready, then I have to add this. This is the piece of the peas. Mm. Pao. How to call the pao in English? I forget this name. In Hindi we call more. But in Spanish is pao, and this in English is PEA, but before PEA there is one word I don't remember right now. Oh, okay, no problem. So I have to clean this, and I have to put some spices here. So I'm going to add one by one. What do you think? What do you think? Whether my decision is correct or wrong? I use the wine to prepare the food, not this. I think this is more for the salad. So when you prepare for salad, you can add this vinegar. And this is for the. I remember that one time one of my friend, he came to house, and that time also I was not having the oil, so he used this. Mm, he asked me whether you have the wine. I said, yeah, there will be some bottles. He opened one and he added there in the food. I said, oh, okay, good. I learned from there, but I don't know exactly whether this is the correct method or not. Even one day someone added in fish also. Yeah, when we are preparing the fish, that day oil, I was having the oil, but that person added the wine. So, okay, so now I'm going to add spices here. Dhania, a little bit dhania. Dhania is coriander. Yeah. And this is the masala, meat masala. I need meat masala. I have to be very careful not to use the spoon, because these layers which you see, the black layer, that is for non-sticking the food at the bottom. So I have to be very careful. I have to use more such type of. So let's. I have to change it first. So we have to have the in habit when you are using non-stick pan. So in that case, don't use anything. Um, this is the metal. So don't use the metal. Okay. better to use the silicone or some such type, or I have one more. I remember this one, this type of you can use. Okay, I have to add salt, little amount of the salt. I hope that will not create problem for me. Okay, I think it is ready now. Now I have to clean the pieces of the meat and I have to add here. I cleaned it. Now add and this and mix a little bit. Still I have to add something spicy, means chili powder or chili, ginger also, and what more thing, I have to add the garlic also. So garlic, I have to take some pieces of the garlic. I think 2 pieces is enough. You see, it's releasing water. Okay, I have to add garlic here. One thing I forget to add, that is onion, but now I'm not going to add onion here. Yes. No problem. So now I have to wait. I think I have to leave for at least 10 minutes, and I have to increase this one to medium. I think this is medium, and on medium flame I have to leave it. Okay, so we have to wait for 10 minutes at least. Okay, so let's see after 10 minutes what is the condition of this meat.